Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today this is part of the textile series and I'll be showing you how to create a measured hem. This is suitable for a number of textile projects and can be used in a variety of ways. Equipment that I'll use today is my tailor's chalk, embroidery scissors, pins, ruler and a piece of felt. And the tailor's chalk, embroidery scissors and pins come in my Artways pack. So using my ruler and my tailor's chalk, I'm going to measure 1.5 centimeters from the top of my square of felt. I'll measure it twice, and that means I can get a nice, measured, accurate line. Using the tailor's chalk, I will score along that line to make my first mark on my fabric. And now I'm measuring 1.5 centimeters below that first line to make a second parallel line that I'm going to use for my hem today. Now carefully take the top of your fabric and fold it so it meets the second line, and then fold it again so it makes another even fold. This is a rolled hem. To secure this, use 2 pins like so, and if you don't know how to use pins, please check out my other video. And once you have pinned this securely in place, it should look even and accurate and ready to take to the sewing machine. You can double check your hem just by looking across it, making sure that the line is nice and even, taking your embroidery scissors and cutting any excess thread. And there you have a nice finishing technique which is known as a hem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.